Hey guys, welcome to class for strong shoulders. If you're working towards the poses like chaturanga, you want to feel more comfortable in your high planks, low planks, this class is just right for you. Okay, we're going to begin fingertips onto your shoulders and making big circles. Just warming up to the joint. And change. You can choose different seating position. If this one is not comfortable for you, you can do a cross leg. Last one. This time open the elbows out, palms down, and make a fist with both hands. Let's take a circles into your wrist. 3, 2, and 1. And change. And 2. Last one. Let's make 10 splashes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here, I'm gonna make circles. Now these ones are much harder than they look. And change. Shoulders down, so we're not shrugging the shoulders towards the ears. Whew. Deep breaths. Last one. And reach your hands towards the sky. And right fingertips down. Take a side bend. And let's take it to other side. Beautiful. One each side. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, rise up. And exhale, bend. Beautiful. From here, we're gonna come into a tabletop. We're going to begin with a scapula push-ups. How it's gonna look: shoulders stacked over your wrist, hips over your knees. We're gonna keep the elbows straight and then drop the chest down. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. On an exhale, push away. Protract. And again, keep the elbows straight. Okay, no rushing. Let's do 5 more. Really working our serratus anterior muscles. And 2. And last one. Keep pushing, and this time extend both legs back. And hold the high plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shift your hips back, downward facing dog. Okay, adjust the distance between your hands and feet if you need to. Okay, so in downward facing dog, our shoulders working hard as well, so pushing the ground away. Downward facing dog also open your shoulders, especially if you're pressing your chest towards your thighs. And bring your knees down. From here, we're gonna extend right leg back, tap the toes, and left fingertips forward. So opposite hand, opposite leg. We're gonna inhale, exhale, lift the leg, and your shoulder, thumb towards the sky. Inhale, tap, and lift. And lift. Beautiful. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's give me 10 pulses. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release it down. Take a few cat-cows. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Okay, 2 more. And round. And last one. And round. Beautiful. It's extending opposite leg back and right fingertips forward. Inhale. To prepare, exhale, lift. Inhale, exhale, lift. Inhale, tap, and lift. 7 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10 pulses. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release it down. Take a cat-cow. And come back into child's pose. Take a break. You can come high on your fingertips. Forehead down. Very good. Let's round forward. From here, we're going to take vinyasa. So downward facing dog. Rounding through the spine. From plank, lower down all the way into the belly. Untuck your toes, take a cobra, elbows back, and press back, downward facing dog. Okay, let's do one more time. Downward facing dog, round into your plank, lower down, untuck your toes, take a cobra, and press it back. This time press back into your tabletop. I'm gonna take a few yoga push-ups. Shoulders forward over your wrist or even knuckles. The whole body is one straight line. Okay, so we're not arching. Tucking your pelvis under, untuck your toes. And we're gonna bend the elbows back, lower down all the way onto the belly. Keep the hands where they are. Scoop the lower belly off the floor and push back. And again, slowly lower down, as slow as you can. These ones are hard. And scoop the belly and push. Let's do 3 more. Beautiful. Glutes are squeezing. And 3. And last one. And press back. Shift into your downward facing dog. Gonna walk your feet forward. Grabbing opposite elbows, swaying side to side. Into your ragdoll. Head is relaxed, neck's relaxed. And when you're ready, slowly gonna roll to standing. Beautiful. From here, we're gonna sit low into your chair so you can keep your feet hip distance apart or together. Reach your hands towards the sky and let's take 10 pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open the hands behind you and take your airplane forward fold. Okay, inhale, sit low and straighten. 2 more, inhale and straighten. Last one. And this time take a forward fold. Halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands down. Come into your plank. Lower down onto your low plank. Back into your high plank. Okay, alternating arms like so. Beautiful. Let's do 3 more. Last one. Shift the weight into your left hand. Take a side plank. Option, lower the bottom knee down. Hold here for 5. Otherwise, leg behind you or stacking. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and switch. Right hand down. Okay, choosing your own variation of side plank. 4, 3, 2, hips higher. Come back into the high plank. Knees down or lifted, lower down all the way onto the belly. Okay, from here we're gonna take another active shoulder flexibility drill. Forehead gonna stay down the whole time. Feet apart, thumbs towards the sky, elbows straight. I'm gonna inhale, on an exhale, lift. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This time open the hands like a V. And again, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then to the side. Again, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands under your shoulders, press back cobra, and child's pose. Beautiful. Taking a break. And rounding the spine forward, come into your tabletop and lower down onto the elbows. We're gonna take a few walks in from low plank into your dolphin. Okay, so come starting in your low plank, walk your feet forward, chest back towards the thighs, and come back. Let's do 4 more. Bend your knees if you need to. And back. 2. And last one. And lower down, come into your Sphinx pose. Take a breather. Beautiful, slide your hands back. And taking a child's pose. Wiggle your hips left and right. And when you're ready, come to your seat. Let's take your hands towards the sky. And exhale, bring your hands to the heart. Release the breath. Thank you guys for joining the class. I hope you feel your shoulders nice and warm. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.